Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to stop background app refresh. Make sure your device is unlocked and has at least 10% battery. First, identify your OS. iPhone uses Settings General, Android varies by manufacturer. Tap Settings now, and on iPhone, go straight to General. Once done, find Background App Refresh in that menu. If you're on Android, search Settings for Background Activity or Battery to locate per app background controls. This gets you to the right control panel quickly, so you can change behavior. Now take action. On iPhone, tap Background App Refresh and choose off to stop all apps, or select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular to limit network access. If you prefer granular control, scroll the app list and switch individual apps off. On Android, open Settings Apps, pick an app, then tap Battery or Background Activity and disable it. Once you've toggled choices, make sure to exit settings so changes apply. These steps reduce data use and save battery while keeping necessary apps responsive. Finish by restarting your device to ensure the new settings take hold. This clears lingering processes and confirms changes. If an app still refreshes, double-check its in-app settings and permissions and inspect battery optimization exclusions that may override system toggles. Once done, monitor battery and data usage for a day. If an essential app breaks, re-enable background refresh for that app only. If problems persist, update the OS and app. Then repeat the steps. Updates often resolve permission conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.